Alright, my friends, so it's time for us to start learning about React itself. So in the previous section, we have learned about basics of JavaScript next generation, which is the ES6 as it's known. And you have learned a couple or a lot of new features like map or set, spread operators. We have learned about almost everything that you really need to start building web applications using React or even mobile applications using React Native. Now in this part we are going to focus on React itself. Now just quick let's say note before we get started that I have in this let's say splitted the course into several sections, and in the first section we are going to focus on one part, which is list, and how we can render list of items, how we can deal with the conditional rendering, and so on. So in this section we are going to build with this very simple layout, and as we grow in our knowledge in React we will add more and more features. Don't worry, this will be very huge application at the end of this course, but for the time being, let's stick with it and keep it very, very simple. So once again, our goal in this section to learn about list and how we can conditionally render some stuff on the screen. So what I will do here in this video, I'm gonna go ahead and create my project. So here we have the terminal. What I will do, I'm gonna cd to my desktop. So let's jump over to the desktop, and here I am gonna generate a new folder. So make directory, I'm just gonna call it, for example, I don't know, React projects or whatever. So React-projects. All right, so this is our folder. I'm gonna navigate to that folder, so React project, and here I'm gonna create all my projects. So I'm gonna type npm init. All right, so React app, this is how you can generate a new React application if you have all the tools that you need installed, and if you have watched all my previous videos, essentially how you can install a create React app as well as npm and Node, or npm come by default with Node.js. However, npm init React application, and here we give it our name, our application name. So I'm just gonna type it React list, very simple, like this, a very simple name. I'm gonna hit enter. That will take a while generating our project, and if you have all the tools up to date, then you're probably gonna generate your project successfully. Alright, my friends, so I'm gonna pause the video, and once it's finished, I'm gonna start a new video. We are gonna start coding, and I'm gonna show you how you can build your data that we have used. So hopefully that makes sense. Thank you, my friends, so much for watching. See you in the next one.